Okay, my dear student, I am again here to give the description, the concept, to clear the concept, to keep the proper understanding about the Wurtz fatigue, fatigue reaction, Ullman reaction, and Franklin reaction. Because these five reactions are generally similar with one another. There is something different, there is very small different, but the reaction types, reaction patterns are maximum equivalent with each other. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you, I have created three tricks to remember this reaction, that is wall, fire, and Wi-Fi equal to Al plus Ar. Al means aliphatic, Ar means aromatic. Walls का W means Wurtz reaction, जहाँ पे जब Wurtz reaction, in the case of Wurtz reaction, aliphatic haloalkanes will be taken. Fi means fatigue. In the fatigue reaction, aromatic haloalkanes, that means haloarenes, will be taken. Okay, and in the case of Wurtz fatigue, that is Wi-Fi, I have pointed out, I have remarked, I have created these tricks as Wi-Fi, and there will be an aliphatic haloalkanes and one will be haloarenes, that is aromatics. So let us see how the reaction takes place. In the case of Wurtz reaction, so it is the Wurtz reactions, and we have to take two molecules of haloalkanes, that is chloromethane, two molecules of chloromethane, and two atoms of sodium. Okay, so you have to take as reagent dry ether, and in this reaction we have write something like this, and the product will be CH3 bond CH3, and Na and Cl will be the byproduct of this reaction. So the addition product will be CH3 bond CH3, that is this, and NaCl will be the byproduct. In the case of Wurtz reaction, in the presence of dry ether, the reaction takes place. Okay, in the case of fatigue reaction, you can see, you can watch it properly, that here chlorobenzene has taken. Two molecules of chlorobenzene are there, and two sodium atoms, okay, sodium metals, okay, and the reagent is dry ether. The product will be the addition of two phenyl rings, and that is known as biphenyls plus 2 NaCl. In the case of Wurtz fatigue reaction, it is clear that there is one haloarenes and one haloalkanes, that is chlorobenzene and chloromethane, and two sodium metal. So these two Na and two Cl will form NaCl, and this benzene ring and methyl ring will form the toluene, this is known as toluene. Okay, this is known as the Wurtz fatigue reaction, and the tricks is Wi-Fi equal to aliphatic plus aromatic, and the aliphatic means this is the aliphatic reactant, and aromatic means this is the aromatic reactant, and the product will be the toluene. Okay, so it is known as Wurtz fatigue reaction. In the case of Ullman reaction, we have to take iodobenzene, two molecules of iodobenzene and two copper atom. In the reactions, biphenyl will be the addition product, and the CUI from these two will be deducted. CUI will be deducted from here. CUI will be the another byproduct of this reaction. So it is known as the Ullman reaction. And in the case of Franklin reaction, you have to take CH3Cl of two molecule, and the zinc is taken here. Zinc granules will be taken here. Okay, and it must be zinc will be one here, and the byproduct will be Zn and 2Cl. It will make ZnCl2, and CH3 and CH3 will form the main product, that is known as ethane. That is, it is known as ethane. Okay, ethane plus zinc chloride. Okay, so this is known as Franklin reaction. So my dear students, you have observed here that these five kinds of name reactions, this is known as name reaction, because particular scientists discovered these five kinds of reactions, and they have already given the name of this reaction, and that is why it is known as the name reactions, and that is Wurtz reaction, fatigue reaction, Wurtz fatigue reaction, Ullman reaction, and Franklin reaction. And you have to remember that there must be and there must be the pattern. The pattern of these reactions are generally similar with each other, and you have very easily you can remind this, you can remember these 5 kinds of reactions of haloalkane chapters very easily, very easily, very easily. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.